Morning, my dear young minds. How are you all? I hope that all are fine, safe, and happy at your home. Do you know, children, 10th class is very important for our life. So, you please don't neglect your studies. Today, we are going to discuss about our science topics, first chapter, chemical reactions and equations. So before going to know about chemical reactions and equations, and once we will recall our previous knowledge, already we have completed 40% of the syllabus of this chapter. So once we will recall those topics. So first one is what is chemical change, and also chemical reactions, characteristics of chemical reactions, evolution of gas, precipitation reactions, change in temperature reactions, change in state of reactions. This all we have completed, and also we performed some experiments in science lab. And today we are going to know about types of chemical reactions. There are different types of chemical reactions. Okay, we will discuss about those chemical reactions in detail. First one is chemical combination reaction. Chemical combination reaction means those reactions in which two or more substances combine together to form a single compound is called chemical combination reaction. Once again, I will repeat the definition. Those reactions in which two or more substances combine together to form a single compound is called chemical combination reaction. Right? So I will give you examples one by one. You please remember all these examples. So in chemical combination reaction, first example, we will take magnesium ribbon. Do you know magnesium ribbon very well? So magnesium ribbon burns in air. Magnesium ribbon burns in air to form magnesium. Here magnesium is an element and oxygen is also an element. Here two elements are combined together to form magnesium oxide is a compound. Here two elements combine together to form a single compound. So that this magnesium oxide formation is example for chemical combination reaction. And also one more example, we know that formation of water. So how water is formed? By the combination of hydrogen gas and oxygen gas will get water. So this water is called hydrogen monoxide. Hydrogen monoxide is the chemical name of water. Here hydrogen gas is an element and also oxygen gas is an element. Here two elements combine together to form water is a liquid. So this is also example for chemical combination reaction. And one more example for chemical combination reaction. We know about sodium metal. When sodium metal combines with chlorine gas to form sodium chloride salt. Here sodium is an element and chlorine gas is an element. Here two elements are combining together to form one single compound, that is sodium chloride. So this is also example for chemical combination reaction. In the same way, some other simple examples for chemical combination reactions. Carbon. We know carbon is present in many more substances. Paper contains carbon. So when paper is burning in the presence of air, so this carbon combines with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. Here carbon is an element and oxygen is an element. Here two elements are combining together to form carbon dioxide gas. So it is also one example for chemical combination. In the same way, sulfur. Sulfur burns in the air. Means sulfur combines with oxygen to form sulfur dioxide is also example for chemical combination. So in the similar way, some other examples I would like to tell you. Ammonia combines with chlorine to form ammonium chloride is a chemical combination reaction. In the same way, sulfur dioxide gas reacts with excess of oxygen to form sulfur trioxide is also chemical combination reaction. In the same way, another example, three reactants are reacted together to form one single compound, that is calcium hydroxide plus carbon dioxide plus calcium carbonate together to form calcium bicarbonate is the example for chemical combination. In all these cases, what we observed, two elements combining together to form one single compound, or one element, one compound combining together to form one single compound, or two compounds combining together to form one single compound. So based on all these examples, we can clearly define this chemical combination reaction. So those reactions in which two or more substances combining together to form a single compound is called chemical combination reaction. Here I have written some examples for these chemical combination reactions once you go through the all reactions. Magnesium solid is combining with oxygen to form magnesium oxide solid. In the same way, hydrogen gas combines with oxygen gas to form water is a liquid. Here two elements are combining to form liquid substance, that is water, hydrogen monoxide. And here hydrogen gas combined with chlorine gas to form hydrogen chloride gas. Here two elements are combining to form hydrogen chloride gas. And also in the same way, sodium combines with chlorine gas to form sodium chloride salt, that is solid. In the same way, calcium oxide combining with water to form calcium hydroxide. This is called liquid lime. What we call this? Liquid lime, calcium hydroxide. Here ammonia gas combines with hydrogen chloride to form NH4Cl, ammonium chloride solid. In the same way, carbon monoxide combines with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. Sulfur dioxide combines with oxygen gas to form sulfur dioxide gas, sulfur trioxide. The same way, calcium carbonate combines with carbon dioxide and also water to form calcium bicarbonate. Here in this last example, children, see three substances are combining together to form one single compound. Here this is calcium carbonate is one compound, carbon dioxide is one compound, here water is one compound. Three compounds are combining to form one single compound. Here when come to the carbon monoxide is one compound and oxygen is an element to form carbon dioxide is a compound. So here one compound, one element combining together to form one compound. So based on all these examples, we can clearly discuss about chemical combination. So chemical combination means one element or one compound or two compounds combining together to form one single compound. Students, we have completed one type of chemical reaction. Now we are going to know about another type of chemical reaction, that is chemical decomposition reaction. So I will define the chemical decomposition reaction. Listen clearly. Those reactions in which one single compound split up into its elements is called chemical decomposition reaction. Once again I am repeating the same definition. Those reactions in which one single compound split up into its elements is called chemical decomposition reaction. So these chemical decomposition reactions are carried out by sunlight or by heating or by passing electricity. If the chemical decomposition reactions are carried out through sunlight, we will call photochemical reactions. Or if the chemical decomposition reactions are carried out by heating, we will call thermal decomposition reactions. Or the chemical decomposition reactions are carried out by passing electricity, we will call electrolytic decomposition reactions. So we will learn one by one reactions. The same chemical equation. Calcium carbonate is a solid substance. When it is heated, it is converting into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide gas. Here one single compound split up into its compounds, its substances. In the same way, one more example, potassium chlorate. Potassium chlorate is a substance which is used for the preparation of oxygen gas. Here in the laboratory, when we heat this potassium chlorate, heated, and it is converting into potassium chloride and oxygen gas. So we can obtain oxygen gas from potassium chlorate. It is the best example for chemical decomposition reaction. In the same way, ferrous sulfate, it is a green color substance. When it is heated, it is converting into ferric oxide, Fe2O3 formula, ferric oxide and sulfur dioxide gas, and also sulfur trioxide gas is formed. Here one single substance, when it is heated, it is converting into three other compounds. Another example, lead nitrate. Lead nitrate formula is PbNO3 twice. When lead nitrate is heated, it is converting into lead oxide, nitrogen dioxide and oxygen gas. And it is also example for the preparation of oxygen gas in the laboratory. Lead nitrate is heated, will get lead oxide, nitrogen dioxide gas and oxygen gas. Here this substance is heated, it is converting into another three substances. One single compound split up into its compounds. And these are all examples for chemical decomposition. These chemical reactions are carried out by passing heat energy, so that these chemical reactions up to lead nitrate, these are all called thermal decomposition reactions. Now we are going to know about another chemical decomposition reaction. Okay, here we used electrical energy. So we know that water is a bad conductor of electricity. To water, when we add an acid or a base or little bit salt to water, then water also becomes a good conductor. So when we pass electricity to water, then water decomposes into its elements, that is hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. Here by using electricity we decompose this compound. So this chemical reaction comes under electrolytic decomposition reaction. In the same way, one more reaction, sodium chloride. So when we take molten state sodium chloride substance, when we pass electricity, then we will obtain sodium metal and also chlorine gas. And this also comes under electrolytic decomposition reaction. In the same way, aluminum oxide. Aluminum oxide is called bauxite. From this bauxite we can extract the metal, aluminum metal. It is also comes under electrolytic decomposition reaction. So when we pass electricity to this aluminum oxide in molten state, it converting into aluminum metal and also oxygen gas. And these chemical reactions are called electrolytic decomposition reactions. And another chemical decomposition reaction, that is photochemical decomposition reaction. In photochemical decomposition reaction we use sunlight. Here we have taken silver chloride compound. We will take silver chloride compound. When we place it in sunlight, in the presence of sunlight, the silver chloride compound decomposes into silver metal and chlorine gas. And also one more example for this, silver bromide. So silver bromide is also, when it is exposed to the sunlight, it converting into silver metal and chlorine gas. Here these two reactions are carried out by using sunlight, so that these are called photochemical reactions. These chemical decomposition reactions are carried out by three ways: through sunlight, and one more is through electricity, another one is heating. So if the reactions are carried out by electricity, we'll call electrolytic decomposition reactions. If the decomposition reactions are carried out by sunlight, we will call photochemical reactions. And if the chemical decomposition reactions are carried out by passing heat, we'll call thermal decomposition reaction. So today we have completed about two types of chemical reactions. One is chemical combination reaction, another one is chemical decomposition reaction. For our next class, we will discuss about chemical displacement reaction, chemical double displacement reaction, and one more is redox reactions, means oxidation reactions and reduction reactions. Students, please utilize these video classes and learn more and more. If you have any inquiries, please contact my number. I will explain you and I will give you clear details. In detail, I will explain the remaining topics also. Thank you.